morning, lovely jubbly people of TikTok. Welcome back to my page. This is Amanda. I'm known as Miss Lamazon on YouTube, just for anybody that is curious. Now, I'm going to see if I can find some concealer in this little bag of tricks I have here. Won't be needing that. Right. I'm about to do, this is like clean girl makeup. Everyday makeup, easy shit. Ooh, I'm missing something. Hold on, lads. Making sure this is recording. Okay, my friends, I'm going to pull this chair in a bit. Okay. On me, I have my skincare. I've done my moisturising and under the eyes and the whole lot for the dry skin. Of course, we have the little bit of redness, rosacea, and a little bit of psoriasis, not much. Okay, once you have that on, you take your, next on the list is you take a little bit of translucent powder. Okay, I'm using Dermablend. Put it just on here. Take a brush and you dust this all over your face. This is great for us, well, for you oily skinned ladies. You're gonna love this hack. Okay. You then make sure you get it everywhere. You lock it in with some facial spray. I'm using the spray that holds on your makeup. It's by L'Oreal and it's a glow. It's got a slight glow to it, but it really doesn't because I have it mixed with a bit of Urban Decay. I mix everything. I'm like a bloody chef, makeup chef here. Okay, you spray your face. And you give this time. I'm going to pause this here to give this time to dry. And we're dry, which means we're on to the next step. It's dry. Any facial spray that sets your makeup will do the job here, right? The next thing is whatever you use for next thing is primer. The primer for under your makeup. Ugh, forget about that. I'm using the Catrice one. It's cheap and cheerful. It looks like it has a slight tint, and maybe it does, but it's very slight and you don't really see it on the face. So I just pat this on everywhere that I normally would put my primer. Same as you guys. Same as we all do in the morning when we're beautifying ourselves for the day out. Okay. Ooh, that's burning the eyes out of me. Shit, put it in my eye. That wasn't very smart. No, it's back it on now. Oh, bugger. Ooh, that's delicious. This is what you get. Okay. Oh, normally it doesn't do that. Oh, my eyes are just sensitive at the moment, right? That's it. I don't do foundation. What I do is I have, this is by, what's it called? What's the name of the company? Collection. Boots. I have number 1 and number 2. Now, number 2 is nearly gone, so I'm starting in on number 1. As you can see, it's very, very pale. Number 1 is, but this goes, I'm trying to cover the rosacea. I have no filters on here, lads. Just so you know, no filter whatsoever. I'm gonna just dip it in. Now, Alf, do one of these. That's number 1 all over. Get in the box. And then number 2. Like a bloody chef here. So you just put a little bit of number 2 on. So I don't look like a bloody corpse going around. Okay. That's mixed. There we go. Pop him away. Let me take my Bare Minerals brush. Put a little, you don't have to do this, I do this. Spray it a little bit. And then you blend in your foundation or whatever you're wearing as foundation. And I'm telling you lads, this goes on very, very smoothly. I'm only patting it in. There's no real blending required with this hack. And you do your forehead. And as you can see, check this out. Now, this hack is just to show you just how well your foundation looks when you put it on with this. You don't even have to use foundation. And if you like me and you have a few little circles, take the little Catrice under eye thingy-majiggy, bit between your hands, and you just pop it there. Just on the under eyes. Now lads, I'm not right, I've no filter on here. This baby hides everything. Right, have a look. Now, I'm going to put on the rest of the makeup I'm going to be wearing today, and I'll come back to you and you can see what way this sits on the skin. I'll put a tiny bit of powder just where I get oily. The rest of my skin is left. So I will be back momentarily. Well, my friends, this is my completed makeup. Eyebrows are on, little tiny bit of eyeliner at the corners, lips, and on my cheeks, the only thing I added extra is here somewhere, if I can find it, is a tiny little bit of this. It's a bronzer. And that's it. Now, this foundation won't budge. It will be on me. Well, it's not even a foundation because I don't do foundation. I do, as you've seen yourself, it's kind of like the airbrush filter thing that Charlotte Tilbury does, only collection in Boots do it for less than €9. And I have to say, as you can see the result, this will not budge all day. So my oily skinned ladies out there, seriously, try this hack. But make sure each layer, your moisturiser is let dry. When you put the powder on, then when you put the spray over the powder, any setting spray, make sure it's dry before you apply the primer and then your foundation or your filter or whatever you use. And then I put another little tiny bit of powder just where I get oily. And that's it, my friends. This is my makeup for the day. Clean girl, just nothing major. No eyeshadow. I have no mascara going on either. Hair's done. What more? Glasses on. I'm ready to rock. So, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up here and click follow my page for more tips and tricks. Because I have an ass load of them. I have a fucking ass load. Right. Love yous all. Bye now. Toodle pip. Mwah.